What's going on? This is Quamon Fowler coming to you of the Jazz Web Shed YouTube channel. And this is my first video of 2020. So I'm excited about this one. I got my little girl here with me. Yeah, she's here to help me out with the video. And basically, in this video, I wanted to talk about how to play the blues or with a gospel feel on the alto saxophone. I read your comments and I appreciate you leaving your comment. Make sure you like it, give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're not subscribed already. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so we'll be in the key of B flat concert, and on alto, that's gonna be G. So what I'm gonna just show you is the blues scale first. That's a blues scale going up. That's a blues scale going down. Now, when you actually play the blues, you don't want to just play the scale like that. You want to play a type of phrase. Now, just off the top of my head, something like that. It's, a lot of this stuff comes from church, like a preacher. If you would hear the preacher hooping or the organ player playing some licks, you just kind of pick up the things that they would do, or vocalists. You listen to other gospel vocalists and other guitar, guitarists who play the blues, or with, certain licks and things that they would do that would sound common on that instrument. Then you would just try it on the saxophone, right? So check it out. So right there, what I did is bent the third. So I put that the flat note in there, which would be the E flat going to the D. I landed on that flat note. That's a flat 5. And then that's the E flat concert. So basically that's the 4, but it's all about phrasing. This is just what I'm hearing. Now I tried to do a little trill. These are just certain phrases, and what you want to do is kind of try to find the phrases. Is that right? Was that soulful, honey? All right, check it out. So the thing that's cool when we go down to the bottom is you can hit that low B flat and then come up to the B. I'm saying it for the alto. So really that would be the E flat going to the D. That's the minor third going to the major third. So when you get to that flat note, which is the flat 5 going up to the 5, I'm just kind of, that's like a common thing you might hear. Now you can do it from the actual 4 and do the trill going up from the 4 to the sharp 4 or the flat 5. Now, if you don't know the numbers, you want to make sure you know the numbers. I'm saying that's 1, that's minor third, that's 4, that's the sharp 4 or flat 5, then that's the 5, flat 7, back to the 1. So that's what I mean when I'm calling out the flats and flat 5 and things like that. But so you got different options that you can use. You can say, those are like common little bluesy phrases that I would use on the saxophone if I'm playing at church, or if I'm playing the blues, playing a blues on sax. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. You can just use all of these type phrases. Just create phrases instead of just playing. You don't just want to play the blues scale. You got to play phrases. See right there, that's like the major blues. So what I did is switch to something like the G major blues. So this is what I mean by that. So you have, I guess, the relative the relative major, or I guess minor, because it is going down a minor third from that B flat, and you're going down to that G, and you're playing. But I'm still going to end up on that B flat. Then I go back to the regular minor blues that's in B flat. So yeah, so you can use a combination of both of those type of blues scales or sounds or phrasing like that. You know, that's like if I was going to play a jazz blues. But anyway, that was a turnaround to go 3, 6, 2. But anyway, I won't go into all of that. But for the most part, that's all. Just wanted to play some bluesy phrases because it's been requested. Make sure you continue to give me some feedback, because I will read the comments and try to address a video about your topic. And if you want to go a lot deeper, you can check out the Academy. That's the Texas Tenor Music Academy, where I have tons of videos where you can get deeper into lessons that I put on jazz improvisation. So that's it for now, and we will see you on another one. Peace. We did it, babe. Where you going? You okay?